Today I am doing PDO threads to help soften our patients' upper lip lines. PDO stands for polydioxanone. It's the same material surgeons use in the OR, and they dissolve over the course of about 6 to 12 months. But the entire time the PDO threads are in your skin, they're going to make you make collagen around them. So we could put them above your eyebrow to help with like an eyebrow lift. We could put them in between your eyebrows if you have a deep crevice here, it'll help to fill in. We could put them in your lips, above your lips, we can do them along your jawline. We can literally put these anywhere and they will make you make collagen. So we're gonna do our patient's upper lip. So I'm gonna have you turn your head away from me. There you go, perfect. Well, maybe a little towards me, there you go. And then you're gonna take the ice away. And I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, here we go. She's so strong. You okay? Is that okay? Yep. Okay, nice again. Okay, my gloves are a little big. Okay. We're gonna do one more going right above that. Ready? Ready. And with these little mini PDO threads, I would tell her to repeat this in about 8 weeks. Because the first session you go, oh, I think I see something. And the second session you're like, oh yeah, there it is. Okay, I see the other side now for me. So always 2 sessions with the mini threads. There are smooth threads, which are the ones we're using now. There are twisty threads that help give you more volume. And then there are lifting threads that we use often for breast lifts or face lifts or neck lifts, anywhere lifts. So abdomen, thighs, etc. Everybody's a candidate for these unless you're somebody that, 1, 2, 3, has had like stitches before and you kind of push out the stitches. Some people have told me that they don't do well with stitches. So if that's the case, I wouldn't do that. But otherwise, everybody is a candidate for threads. Ice one more time. And then potential downtime. She might bruise, she might not. That's really it. There's no real downtime. I could get a little bit of swelling, but if we're treating wrinkles in the upper lip, a lot of times people like the little bit of swelling that happens. And what else? That's really all that I could think of as a downtime. There's nothing that you need to do or not do after these, so super simple. Perfect. Okay, one more. Right here, 1, 2, 3. I have these all over my face. Good job. See, and she's not going to bruise, nothing. Perfect. So, if let me put it all right here. And we're just pulling the skin over that. Okay, and then ice that over right there, ice that. Oh, yep, just like that. So that is a typical upper lip procedure. If you want to find out if PDO threads are right for you, you can find us online at, where are we? We're on FaceTime. We're not on FaceTime. We're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and online at our website at RejuvenationMD, medspa.com.